So we are literally heading to a property in Houston, Texas. A wholesaler sent me. His name's Evan. He's the guy who we bought the last 2 houses from, so might as well buy a 3rd one from him. And we're gonna take a look at it. You know, some of these things here kind of give me pause on whether I'd want to invest in this area or not. I'm telling you how I see it right now. I probably would not want to buy anything in this area, but we're gonna go walk and take a look at it. Right in the back there, that's
gonna be torn down.
What's that?
There's no way to fix that. You see how it's leaning on the side?
Yeah. So that actually, that takes away value. And I don't know what the hell you got in terms of siding over here. It needs a whole, it does need a new roof.
You see on the side over here, it does need a roof.
Yeah. I love this truck, man. It looks so good.
That's when a dude tried to scare me. He slammed on his brakes. I'm like, okay, let go. I had the cameras. The camera says he was totally at fault.
Oh, you had the...
He took off on me.
Oh, yeah.
And he had a car.
You chased him, right?
I tried him, but once he was like 2-3 footballs and fields away, I was like, there's no way I'm going to catch up. I'm going to just slow down, call the cops. Well, you see that right there?
You mean just how it's touching the next guys?
Yeah.
All right, so let's look at all the positives on this property. So we have, this is a negative. You got a duplex next door that's not well taken care of. Right across the street, you got a really crappy house right across the street. And the other thing I noticed too here, which is not a positive, that everybody's got a gated, this is a rental area, probably not a flip area, I would imagine. You got too many negatives. This is gonna be low-end rentals. Everybody's putting their garbage out on the street. Everybody's got big ass fences, which means they're not feeling safe in their community. So whoever's gonna be a homeowner here is probably not gonna feel safe in their community either. So it's like you're picking from the bottom of the barrel. I guarantee 5 years ago, these houses were selling for what? About 70, 80,000?
Yeah.
70, 80,000 bucks? So
What's it listed for?
158 is what they're asking for.
And then the MLS, they put it for 174.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he locked it down. It was probably high days on market. He probably locked it down for 150, 145, something like that. And I think they can, good luck on that one. If somebody wants to flip that one, they'll be the first one on the street. And we don't want to be the first one on the street in a new market. If you see 75% of the houses are in bad shape and like 25% of the houses are in good shape, this one's in bad shape, that one's in bad shape, that one's in terrible shape. So look at, this is what your new homeowner, she's gonna tell you, because this is from real estate. Your new homeowner is gonna say, oh, okay, I live across from a duplex, across from right next to a piece of crap right here, and now I'm the nicest one in the neighborhood. And so that means that we're gonna get the lowest price. Means that rather than 230, we're probably looking at 200. I bet you this house is like a $200,000 house, not a 230. Because now if we're on the same street, but like we're sitting next to that guy with the new fence, this guy with the new fence, this guy with the new fence, this guy with the new roof, different situation. So this is a street by street block probably. So we're not buying it. You guys have a Sunday, you guys gotta go do your thing. So do your thing, spend your time with your family. Thanks a lot. We're gonna go do some Top Golf and maybe go look at some houses and try to catch an early flight, I think, back.
If I see anything on the market that looks like it's a flip, then it's good, I'll let y'all know.
Do you remember the first one that we had, dude, that I said I was willing to take a shot on? Have you ever tracked that one down?
It's still on the market. Like, it's still pending. It was a big lot with a house, and they won it.
They haven't
350.
They haven't sold it yet?
No, it's still pending. It shows it's still pending.
We're ready for some more stuff. They're about ready. Javier's gonna do a good job on that one. These are probably gonna end up being base hits. That first one was gonna be a home run. It's probably gonna end up being a base hit. You know what I mean? But we'll get some home runs and.
They're really looking for a new warehouse, at least 35,000. I'll get with y'all.
Well, I'll walk you through how to do it. Like, he needs to get an SBA loan, so that's what you need to hook him up with. All right, see you guys, thanks. All right, man, so let's keep walking. Let's just keep going, and then right now, we're gonna keep going. So why would we not wanna flip? Okay, so now we look back here in this house right here. Another garage falling down. Another piece of crap house, another one. In fact, what I would do in a neighborhood like this is I would actually be trying to buy houses, not trying to flip them. I'd be trying to wholesale houses to other guys because there's more risk for me as a flipper than me as a wholesaler. I don't want to own this stuff. That one's got a new roof. This one right here has no air conditioning. So I told you I was driving for dollars. So we come down here, go into our Deal Machine app, if you guys want my Deal Machine app. So you guys get that for free. But we just go into our driving right here. We're walking. They don't have a walking version. So we're just gonna hit that. And then we're gonna look and we'll say, okay, this one's 7722. So I see 7722 right here. Now it'll tell you when's the last sale date. So I'm gonna add this lead, it doesn't have one. I come here, take a picture, that picture goes into a postcard. They get that postcard. Right now, the way I have it set up, I'm just starting the mail. So now, see that? Success. They're gonna get mail from me. Now go to the next one, 7718, right? It says they bought it in 2013, and they bought it for $68,000. What did I just say? About 5-6 years ago, these were probably selling for that type of price. So now I come in here, take a picture of this one. It's that easy, folks. I feel like I'm on that, it's that easy, folks, when you got your Ginsu knife. We'll keep walking down and explain to you why this is not a good area to flip houses in. You've got a beautiful house right here. They've done an excellent job. He put a new fence in. So it's starting to come a little bit right here, but you still got a lot of just crap. We want to find places that have pride of ownership. This is why we're passing on this deal, and this is why we're not going for this deal. Now we have a fan. He's looking out for us right now ahead. He probably wants to talk to us and figure out what the hell we're doing. So we're gonna go say hi. Whenever you're looking at new markets and you're trying to figure out like, hey, should I invest in this market? Should I not invest in this market? You wanna look at, are people living here? What did they pay? Do they have central HVAC? What's up? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? No, I'm good. How are you? Well, I just sent him a postcard. Oh, does he want to sell it? Okay, yeah, I just sent him a postcard because we were looking to buy that one. So, yeah. Cool. Didn't look. I didn't know if he was living there or not. Okay, cool. All right, thanks. Yeah, like that one right there. Garage in the back. This one right here. It looks like a pretty rough area. You know, I hear a lot of roosters. I see a lot of things going on. I would say, let's not buy this house. This is exactly what you don't want to buy when you're flipping real estate. Peace.